Alright, here we are on the Carnival Conquest, and we have cabin 2470. Do a little tour. Okay, here we go. This cabin is an ocean view in the very aft portion of the ship. It's actually quite bigger than all the standard ocean views that some of you have probably seen or had before. Have two windows. A nice size, not bad. Got the bed. Right here we have the normal window, the normal mirror, I'm sorry. And same as usual as any other ocean view stateroom. It's just a lot more space. Way a lot more space. You have a couch for the cruise. I just set my suitcase on there. All the extra space, so it didn't really matter. And as usual, you have the safe in here. So you use your sailing sign part forward to lock and unlock it. And here you have a little cooler. The drawer space here, and you also have a little sitting area. And let's do the bathroom. It's the same as any other standard bathroom on a Carnival cruise ship. You know, you got the toilet, you know, nothing major. Then, countertop. It's all pretty much the same. Extra little space you can put things. Your closet space here. Life jackets and your bathrobes. This one, I have some clothes in here. I'm not going to open it up so much. And you have an extra closet space right here as well. And then right here, it's a view from the door to the inside of this stateroom 2470. And there's another little peek of the room from over here. Let's do another little turn around so you can see this. Alright. Okay, now let's go back outside. So in the back of the door, they have your emergency instructions. As usual, it's a big thing to know. Alright, and that ends it. A little preview of cabin 2470 on board the Carnival Conquest.